I think you are having textbooks, na? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
So which last topics last topics we are having. So what topics we have to explain? I have to explain.
Ma'am, textbook PDF I have shared.
Okay, ma, I'm checking. Thank you so much. Yeah, ma. Okay, 1 second. I will share the screen. So yesterday we have seen this all the rollback, save point, all the transactions we have seen yesterday class. And now next, this is DML. Yeah, DML command, DML language. So today I'm going to explaining. Yesterday I said. So in this selection projection also we have seen. Now where class also we have seen there. So selection means what? Like select a query. So you can give like this symbol sigma is there. So see sigma designation equal to assistant professor means. So who are the assistant professor, that details will become. This is the selection part. And projection means what? This is the symbol to give the for projection. Employee ID dot salary. Then so means in that how many columns you want in the employee table, that many columns are displaying here. Employee ID salary. Okay, this is also explained. And where class means in the query you are giving the condition, where condition. Select the star from student. So student, from the student table you want where marks greater than 75. So who students got more than 75, that students details you want. So that is called as a where condition. So where condition also applicable for all the queries. So this is the customer table. Here he given ID, first name, last name, city, country, phone. Okay. So in this he given here select column 1, column 2 means select ID, first name, last name, city, country from customer table. Where condition he is using actually. Okay. So in the many columns are there, particularly how many columns you want, that many columns they given. Okay. And where first name equal to Anita and last name is the Rao, Anita Rao. Okay. So that information we want. So like this also we can give. And one more query is select star from the customer table, where country equal to India and city is the Hyderabad. So in India, so Hyderabad city we want. So this is the information. Anita Rao and Sujana Kumari will be Hyderabad and India. So that information came. Okay. Now see OR operator. He given about the OR operator. So in this what we used AND operator. So actually with where condition we use the AND operator. This is the AND operator. I think in C language you know that relational logical operators, logical and logical are okay like that. And now see the OR operator. So in the OR operator means what? So OR operator displays the record if any one of the conditions operated by OR is true. So select ID, first name, last name, city, country from customer. Where condition, country equal to India or country Saudi. Means what happened in the before condition, India, country is the India and Hyderabad. Okay, both will be there, then only the data will be coming. In this condition, anyone will be there. India people also will be there at least, or Saudi will be there. That so now see here, you can check the city country. You have to see here. India also there and Saudi Arab also there. So those who are having India people, those who are Saudi Arab, that information also be coming here. That is the OR operator. So OR means any one is also there will be coming, and means both will be true, then only true. Okay, so same you can remember logical operators, logical and logical, or logical and means what, both conditions will be true, both are there, then only that information will be coming. Or means what, if any one will be there, any one information will be true, then also it will be coming. That is the OR operator. Okay, now next is he given NOT operator. So NOT operator means what he given, displays a record if the condition is not true. Means true means false, false means true, opposition, negation type. Okay, so now see how what he given, select the star from customer table where not country India. So country India Kani Valdu, who are the not belongs to India people, that information we want. So see, no, India is not there here. UK, Saudi Arab. You can check the country column here. Okay, UK, and Saudi Arab will be there. So that is the not operator. And now he used the and, or, and not. Mood kalipi. Three he used here. So see, select the star from customer table where country equal to India and city Hyderabad or city Mumbai. So in the India country, he choosing the city, maybe Hyderabad, maybe Mumbai. Okay, so you can check the city. Hyderabad is also there, Mumbai is also there, but country only India. India only came here. In the country India, Hyderabad or Mumbai came. So he used the together. And now see one more query. Select the star from customer table where not country equal to India. So those who are not the country belongs to India and not the country UK. So India they don't want and UK they don't want. Apart from the India, apart from the UK, so the city they given Riyadh. So city Riyadh, na? Country is the Saudi Arab. Okay, Saudi Arab only came here. Not India is also not there. UK is also not there. So like this also where condition we are using with the operators and or not operators also. Okay. Now see the order by, count, average, sum, update, delete, insert. Now see the order by class. So where class, order by class, count by class, count class, and we are having group by class also there. I think you in your subject he is not given group by. Average is also there, and remaining are the normal commands: update, delete, insert. So now see the order by class, the order by keyword. So order by is what here keyword is used to sort the records in the resultant table either in ascending or descending order. So here what is the order by means, what are the information is in the table, okay, in the customer table or employee, whatever table we are having, that you want to be arranged in the ascending order or descending order. That is that purpose we are using the order by class. By default, it sorts the records in ascending order. Ascending order means what? In case if you are not giving the anything ASC, okay, defaultly it will be ascending to sort the records. In descending order, we should use the keyword. So keywords will be ASC is the ascending order keyword. DESC is the descending order keyword. ASC if you are not given, anything, it will be coming the ascending order. If you want descending order means particularly you should use the keyword DESC. Okay, that is explaining here. Now see the query. So syntactically he given, I am taking example, so it will be easily understand. So select a star from customer table. Customer is the table name. Order by country. So defaultly he is not giving ASC keyword. If ASC keyword is not there, means defaultly what will be coming here? Ascending order coming. So by order by what? The country. So you can check the country names. Hyderabad, H, A, B, C, D, F, G. Here we know that now. So in Hyderabad, see Hyderabad, Mumbai, Bangalore, Riyadh, London will be there. Now check the country once again here. So first, which letter will be coming here? Sorry, city I am seeing. Sorry. So country C, India, Saudi Arab, UK. So I will be coming first, S will be coming first, U will be coming last. Okay. So automatically they arrange the ascending order wise. Okay. Now check one more query here. Select the star from customer table, order by city, descending order. So city, we want to arrange in the descending order. So city will be Riyadh, Mumbai, London, Hyderabad, Bangalore will be there. So descending order. Okay. That only I am confusing why R will be coming. Yeah, R will be coming. It's a descending order. So R. So you can check. So come to downwards. B will be coming first, then H, then L, then M, then R. Okay. So descending orderly, the information came here. If you want, you can check the here in city. First table will be there. Hyderabad, Mumbai, Bangalore, Riyadh, London. Now you can check this table. So Riyadh, Mumbai, London, Hyderabad, Bangalore. So descending order will be coming. Okay, that is about the order by descending order. Now next function, count. Okay, so count function returns the number of rows that satisfy a given condition. So see the table, product table, product ID, product name, quantity, price will be there in the table. Okay, so now see syntax given here. Example, select count product ID from product. So what we want here, product ID we want from the product table. Alage, then the result what he given result will be 4. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 given. Output we can check my result 4. Okay. The next query, select the count price from product where price equal 200. So 200, how much will be there here? How many will be there? Only 2. Price 200, 202 will be there. So the result will be 2. Okay. Easily understanding. Okay. No need to confusing here. Count is also okay. Now coming to average. So now see, average function returns the average value of a numeric column. So what it will be returns here, average numeric column. Okay. So see, select average of price. So price average we want. What we want? Price average from product table. Then 207.5. So you can see here price. So you can average these all the prices. Okay, 200 plus 150 plus 280 plus 200 by 4. Then what will become? 207 something will become. That is the average. 207.5 will become. That is the average function. Now check the sum function. So sum function, how it's working? The sum function returns the total sum of your numeric columns. So how we can give like example, you can say directly sum, select sum of quantity from product. So quantity sum we want to check. So go to the table once. So 10 plus 20 plus 15 plus 30, 10 plus 20, 30, 30 plus 50, 45, 45 plus 30, 75. So 75 is the output here. Okay. This is the sum function. So which column if you are given in that, what are the values will be there? It will be going to total. That is the sum. Next to see the update. One more he given here. Some quantity from product where price equal to 200. Okay, again he given C. Select some quantity from product where price is. So 200 you can check. 2 will be there na 200 200. So 10 plus 30. 10 plus 30 how much? 40 will be coming. That's why the output we given, the result we given the 40. Next see the function update. The update statement is used to change values that are already in the table. So see, what is the syntactically? Update table name, set attribute, expression, where condition. So query table he given student table, student ID, student name, student age. This is a table. For this query, see example, update student. So what table we want to update? Student table. So set is a keyword here. Name, attribute means column name. Name equal to Arun, where ID 102. So where is the ID 102 will be there. For that you can write change the name Arun. So in the table 102 is the what is there? Ben will be there. Now update. You want to update. So Ben will be going to update as the Arun. Arun will be coming. So now you can check. So what is there here? 102 is the Arun will be came. Okay. So the following table updated the value of name from Ben to Arun. That is the update function. So he is telling here, be careful while updating the records. If where class is missed, all records will be updated with the same value. So that you can check once. And one more example, he given update the student set name equal to AAA. So what will be there? So what happened? The above statement if executed will result in AA in all rows under name column. So what happened here? If you are giving like this, all names are coming to the name column now. Anil, Arun, Raj, Vansh, Priya, Mithun will not be coming. All are will be coming the A. That is. Okay, now coming to delete operator. So we are using this delete operator, delete function statement deletes the rows from your table. If you want to delete the rows from your table, that is called as a delete. So what is the syntax? Delete from table name, where condition we are using. So delete from student, where ID equal to 106. So 106 will be going. So only 105 will be there. Mithun will be deleted here. 105 up to Priya will be, information will be there. So the where class specifies which records should be deleted. So why we are using where class means which row you want to be deleted, particularly that condition if you are giving, then particular that only will be deleted. Okay. If you want to delete all records, okay, it is possible to delete all rows in the table without deleting the table. So structure will not going to delete here. Okay. DDL command the drop table. The command will drop. Drop if you are given. What happened? First of all, you should remove all these rows using the delete command. Then you can drop the table. Okay. So drop table means it will be going to delete the logical structure of a table. Delete will be deleted only the rows. You can see the difference here. Okay. Drop is delete the logical structure of the table. Okay. Delete will be delete the all the rows in a table. That's why he's explaining. This means that table structure attributes and index will be as it is. Only rows will be going. The column names, the structure will be there. So syntax will be delete from table name. So delete from student. So entire data from the student table is lost. So whatever the information you entered, like 1 to 6 rows, 1 to 5 rows will be there. Na Anil Arun, this all information will be going to deleted. Now only structure will be available. If the structure will be available, then if you want to insert data, structure is there. Now you want to insert data. So for that purpose, we are having a command here, insert into. If you want to insert data, insert into there. So insert into statement is used to add new row to a table. So why we are using insert command means to add a new row into a table. We are using the insert command. So it is possible to write insert into statement in 2 ways. So there are 2 ways we are having to write the insert command. First one, see, insert into table name values. So values is a keyword. Insert into is also a keyword. Table name, student table, customer table, what table you want to be created, you want to be inserted, that name. And value 1 and so on, value 1, value n. Okay. So see example, insert into student is the my table name, values is the keyword. So 104, 119. So values I want to be give here. 104 means ID number, 1 is the name, and 19 is the age. So here what happening, only single row data is inserted into the student table. So now you can check 1 is added here. Okay. So the inserted values must match the table structure exactly in the number of attributes. So what's is telling here? In that directly we entered values now. So these values how we are entered means based upon the structure. So in the structure, what are the column names will be there? ID, name, age. So based on that you should enter. Now if you are not giving the based on that you are giving the salary, you are giving something means it will be going to mismatch. So you should check the your columns first of all. Next he given one more method he given na. So that is, see here, insert into table name column 1, column 2, column 3 and so on, values, value 1, value 2, value 3. Means what's happening here, we given the column names along with the values. Column names also we given and values also we given. So insert into student. What are the column names are there? ID, name, age, values. So ID, in the ID you want to give 105, name you want to be give Priya, age you want to be give 23. Okay. So before we are not giving the columns. Columns we are not mentioning the columns. Directly we entered values. So before you enter the values, you should check the column names. Okay. Based on that only you should give the values. But in this, here we given the columns as well as the values also. So automatically these are the values you want to be inserted. Okay. And one more he given, but only insert data in the name column, age column. So what he given, insert command will be used to like particularly one column also if you want, like say insert into student name, values, Mithun. So only one. Here we want to enter only name. We don't want to enter age. Okay. So automatically age will become null. That is also happening using the insert command. Okay. So what are DML commands? Means mainly insert into, update, delete. These are the commands. And in this we are using selection, projection, and operators also, and or not operators also we are having. Okay. And some functions we are having like count, average, minimum, maximum functions also be there, but he is not giving that. And also your classes will be there, where class, okay, and the group by class, having class, order by class will be there. In your subjects he given where class and order by class he given. In the order by class, the ascending order will be there, descending order will be there. Ascending is defaultly will be coming, no need to give the keyword ASC. But if you want descending order means you should give the keyword DESC. That is the about the order by class. So many commands will be there. DML. DML means data manipulation language. Okay. Now check the SQL views and other DML commands. So what is a view? SQL view is a virtual table based on the result set of a SQL statement A. So it is a table, already you created a table. The table copy you wanted. Virtual means what? Copy. Already whatever table you created, if you want one more copy for the table, that is called as a virtual. Okay. So using the view command, you can create this copy. A view contains rows and columns just like a real table only. This the fields in a view are fields from one or more real table in the database. So now to create, how we can create a view here? Create view. Create is a keyword. View is the, table, like a table keyword will be there now. This is the view keyword. Okay. So view name. So this, for this table name, what name you want to be give? View name. Sound come karo beta. So then next we are having as select column 1, column 2 and so on from table name. So what are the caps will be there? These all are the keywords here. You can observe here. Okay. Now see table he given. So student is the actual table actually. Okay. ID will be there, name will be there, marks will be there, age will be there. For this table, if you want to create a view, okay, what are the below table will be there. For that you want to create a view. Okay. So create view. So create is a keyword, view is a keyword. And view name what they given must stud. Student place they given stud, student stud. As select is a keyword. Asterisk from where, which table? Actual original table. From student table. Where is a keyword? Age equal to 20. So now see what happened here. So 1 Niharika 80, age 20. 3 Nandini 95, age 20. 4 Sai children 75 20. So those people age will be 20. That students data will be come in the stud table. This stud is a what? Virtual table. Already you created the base table. Base table is what? Student. From the student table, you want to be create a view. So that view you want to be create for particular specific condition. That type also you can create. That is about the view. Okay. Next. One more he given. Select name from stud where marks greater than 75. Okay. So this is a table, stud table now. So this is virtual table. From this virtual table, if you want to write the query like this, you can write the query. Okay. So here 75 who are having 70 more than 75 marks, Niharika and Nandini. Two persons are there, 2 students are there. So that's why their names given displaying here, Niharika and Nandini. Okay. And if you don't want the view, dropping a view means you want to remove the view. So a view is deleted with the drop view command. So syntax drop view name. So like a drop table name, exactly same, simply same like that only. So drop view stud. So now the view is going to completely removed. Okay. Now he given the dropping a table. So just I said that only he is giving. The SQL drop table statement is to use to remove a table, definition, and all the data, indexes, triggers, constraints, permissions, specifications for the table. Means what are the conditions, what are the triggers, whatever you given for the, whatever you created for the logical steps of table, that completely going to be deleted. Okay, so that's why drop table name. So student table I don't want. So completely the structure, everything, whatever. Okay, keys you given, constants you will be given, completely going to be deleted. Okay. Next we are having other DML commands. So what we are having, we are not going to be, which are not discussed. So merge, upset, insert, upset operation, insert or update. So see, merge means merge or upset or update. Okay. So that is means insert or update. So next call a PL by SQL or Java subprogram, log table, concurrency control, explain plain, interpretation of the table access path. So see merge statement. So merge statement means what? Merge statement in SQL in the combination of 3 insert, delete, and update statements and with the help of merge. So if you want to merge the insert, delete, update, if you want to merge the statement, you can use the help of the merge statement. So see how we can syntax merge target table using source table on merge condition. So target table means using these 3 update, select, insert, what given my insert, delete, merge. Insert, delete, update. So that operations will be performing on the source table. Okay. Whenever the output will become, that is called target table. So see, conditions is also they given. When matched then. Okay. Update statement. When not matched by target, then insert statement. When not matched by source, then delete statement. So consider we have a target table, product underscore details, in which we have to use 3 operations on also, and also we have a source table, update details. So source table name is the update details and target is the product details, which contain latest product details, and according to the data provided in the updated details table, we want to make changes in the main product details. Okay, see, first of all, this is the product detail table. So product ID, product name, product price. So there are 3 rows we are having. 101 bread 40, jam 150, biscuit 20. Then update. So here what we are having, 101 bread, jam 160, chips 25. So here we updated here 102 row. Jam will be the price we are updating, and chips, so biscuit will not be there. So 103 row will be going to deleted, and we are adding 104. So this is the updated details. So now as we can see, if we want to make changes in the product details table, according to the update details table, we will have to insert statement for product ID 104, update statement for product ID 102, and delete statement for product ID 103. So for using all the three statement together, we can use one single statement merge. So example, merge product details as target using updated details as source on target underscore ID equal to source underscore product ID. So when matched on target P name, source P name, or target P price, source price. So what are the columns will be there? Actually, that will be going to match. If they are matching, then this three will be going to working. Okay. If they are not matching, then what happened? So this queries, this operation, this command will not be, this merge is not going to be work. That is, you can remember. Okay. Like this, if you are doing the three at a time. Now see the call statement. Okay. What is the call? Call is nothing but a procedure. Statement is used to call procedures. A call to procedure does not return any value. So a procedure is a subprogram unit that consists of a group of PL by SQL statements. So PL by SQL means programming language. So in the SQL, we are using C programming also. So syntax, how we can write call procedure name, expression, asterisk, comma, expression, asterisk. So create the procedure. So procedure name, what they given? Total dot sales dot total underscore revenue in S underscore month integer. In S underscore year integer means he given the type, and out total decimal 10,2. Then close the call and call sales dot total revenue how much. Like this he is creating. So the call procedure does not return any value. They are not return any value. So procedure means like a function. C programming function we know now how we can write the function. Like this only is explaining. This is like a subprogram that consists of a group by PL by SQL program. So this is the way to write the call procedure name, which procedure you want to be called, and expression, comma, expression. How many expressions you want to write? That many expressions you can write. Then create procedure sales dot total underscore revenue. So in S underscore month, that is the month is integer value, and in S underscore year is also integer. Out to total is a decimal. So like this he is defining. Then sales dot total will be coming, underscore revenue will be. So values are not given. Why we are calling them? Okay, that is the actual that will be working in the PL by SQL only, not SQL. Okay. That is where the call. Next we are having lock table. So what is the lock table? Statement allows you to explicitly acquire a shared or exclusive table lock on the specified table. The table lock lasts until the end of the current transaction. To lock a table, you must either be the database owner or the table owner. So we should like who will be lock the table means DBA. DBA is the database owner. Okay. Explicitly locking a table is useful to avoid the overhead of the multiple row locks on a table. In other words, user initiated lock exclamation avoid deadlocks. So see syntax lock table, table name in share exclusive mode. So share mode, exclusive mode will be there. To lock the entire flights table in a share mode to avoid a large number of row locks, use the lock table flight. So table name is the flights in share mode. So select the start from flights where origin underscore airport 000. So what is telling for 000, where is the condition he given? That place they want to be going to lock. So for example, see if the tickets will be booking. Okay. So now they want to be locked. So no one going to be booked because already they booked. So already they are locked. like that the lock will be used. And what he's telling means, so we are the users, we can't changes anything, but whoever the authority having means, who is the owner of the database, who is the owner of the table, that person only can be locked. That is about the lock table. Okay, so this is the DML command completely. Now see the one more last concept we are having, advanced SQL. Okay, so in this we are having SQL forms, triggers, reports. 3 topics we are having. So see introduction part. So select operation selects the, we have seen this all this sigma and projection, order by, or in order by the ascending descending also we have seen, where also we have seen, all this we have seen, log table. Okay, everything is now going to the forms here. So in the form means what? A form or a form module is an application that provides access to information stored in a data source. So already we know online forms. Okay. So if the form will be there, we can fill it with the form and we can apply it to the some job purpose or any examination purpose. Okay. Any certificate if you want, you can apply the forms in the way of the form. Okay. That is called as a form. So form created for user interaction with the database. So what is the benefit? We are interact with the form. We means users. They can be used to enter data. They can be used to enter data into the tables as well as displaying information from tables or queries. So we can insert the information. We can that will be doing the displaying also. When you look at a form, you see interface elements such as checkboxes, radio groups, and so on. So generally see the whenever you want to enter the name, text boxes, radio buttons, male or female, and check boxes. You want to be tick the some options, okay, which enables the user to interact with the data source. These interface items belong to a container called a block. So example, the fields customer ID, first name, title, and so on all belong to the same block. Means you people know the forms now. First part, second part, third part, and lastly they given the column like office only. Means whatever the user can fill it up, user can if going to fill, and the remaining part will be only office people can be going to fill up. So like this, he is explaining the in the first part what will be the customer ID will be there, the first name will be there, title will be there, and so that is the first block. So before you log in order to design your form template based on SQL, on a SQL server database, you need the following information from your database administrator. So see, the name of the server that contains the database that you will connect to your form template to. So what is telling, if you want to use the SQL forms, you should be connect with the server. Okay. So you should already take the permission with the DBA and you should connect with the server. Then only it will be possible to use the SQL forms. And second point, what he given, the name of the database that you will use with this form template, and database, from which database you want to be take this form. The database name also you should know. And the authentication required by a database exactly, okay? Because DBA or who are the owner of the database, from them we should take the permission. We check the authentication means what? If we are having the rights, if we are having the permission, then only it will be possible. Otherwise it will not be possible. Okay. The database can use either Microsoft Windows authentication or SQL Server authentication to determine how users can access the database. So authentication will be taken from the Microsoft or otherwise SQL Server. That if you are having this any one authentication, it will be possible. Then the name of the table that contains data that you want to send to the form, or that you receive data from the form. This is the private table. If you are going to use more than one table in the database, you need the names of those other child tables. You also need the field child tables means how you can create the form here. So design the form template. See, to design a form template with a query data connection, you need to be follow this queries. Okay, I mean rules. So first of all, create the form template. When you create a form template that is based on a database, info path creates a query data connection as the main data connection between. Actually, this is not possible practically. Just we are we are getting the knowledge only. So we people can't be create the forms because we are not the owner of any database. Okay, just we are opening and we are checking tickets are available or not, our admissions are there or not, our result will be coming or not. That only we can do, but we are not the owners. So actually this is for the purpose of those who are having the authentication. Generally who are having authentication DBA. So DBA can be do this all that. Otherwise some other people means like owners of the company, whoever who are purchased the database, who are having maintained the server. So those people can be design the form templates like that. Okay, that is this is about the form. So example, see, template will be how it will be there here. So template one, Microsoft Office info path, query form. This form contain two views, a query view and a design view. So about this given and data source, new record. So region ID, region description, run query. So SQL forms are known as previously, and SQL forms in version 2 is more or less like an interface to interact with the Oracle database. The forms in format compile into an executable form. These forms provide a means to add a GUI elements like scroll bars, menus, etc., and reduce the efforts of writing complex queries. So Oracle form is part of Oracle's Internet Developer Suite. Its earlier versions were called Oracle Data, called what ma? Here, SQL forms. Oracle forms is a 4GL rapid application development, rapid RAD environment, a forms builder used to create a application center assistant. So generally see here, note also he given for creating form and linking to database tables using Oracle forms and reports or MySQL Workbench or MS Access. Yeah, MS Access we can do that. Okay. And normal these softwares, MySQL Workbench, these softwares are not available in our systems actually. So please refer to the lab manual. So I think you people, if you are having the lab manual, then he given this, and in your university, if the softwares are available, then you can create. But access we can create easily. I already shown my students also. Library science students purpose also I shown the forms, how to create the forms, and reports also I shown there. Okay, but in normal SQL we can't create actually. For that lot of procedure will be there. So you can ask in practical wise. Now see trigger. Trigger is invoked by Oracle engine automatically whenever a specified event occurs. Triggers is stored into database and invoked repeatedly when specific condition match. Triggers are stored programs which are automatically executed or fired when some event occurs. So triggers are written to be executed in response to any of the following. So see, DML statement, delete, insert or update, and DDL statement, create, alter or drop, and a database operation, server error, log on, log off, startup or shutdown. So triggers could be defined on table, schema or database which the event is associated. Advantage, what will be there? Triggers generate some derived column values automatically, enforces referential integrity, event logging and storing information on table access, auditing synchronous replication of tables, imposing security authorizations, preventing invalid transactions. Actually, this is also who is means admin of the tables, means admin of database purpose. Database who are maintained admin authorizations means owners, general DBA like, okay. So those people also created these triggers. So to create a trigger, what is how they can write create trigger name. Before, after, instead of, insert or, update or delete or, so referencing like, so given condition also they given, declaration also they given, begin, exception, end. So they are putting triggers means like those who wants to give the use the table for that purpose, they are giving the some triggers. Okay. So let's take example, demo trigger. This is the customer table, customer ID, customer name, age, address, and salary will be there. So now see the trigger, what is going to create or replace trigger display salary changes. Salary he wants to change. Before, delete or insert or update on customers for each row. When new ID greater than zero, more than zero will be there, then declare salary difference number, begin, salary difference equal to new salary, old salary. Then DBMS output line, old salary, output line, new salary, output line, salary difference, and check the salary difference by procedure. So see, salary plus 5,000. They want to update also 5,000 and then not found then. So output see, old salary will 20,000, new salary will 25,000, salary difference 5,000. Old salary, so means employee wise the salaries will become old salary how much, new salary will be how much, and salary difference will be how much. Like this they given the output. Next we are having reports. So reports are also mainly created to print on paper, although they can also be used to display information on the screen. So report means what, from the morning to evening, what are the work you are having, completely you want to be shown in the report format. Okay, so like in this also, Oracle report is a tool provided by Oracle Fusion middleware, which is used to generate reports based on data stored in the Oracle database. It consists of Oracle Reports Developer, a report designing tool, and Oracle Application Server report services. So various types of reports we have: tabular reports, master detail reports, form letter reports, mailing label reports, matrix reports. So to create the report, how we can write: select first name, last name, job ID, salary, commission from employees, order by last name. So now see, report is created, first name, last name, job ID, salary, commission. So here order by means default it will be ascending order. So this all will be coming the ascending orderly, they can arrange. This is the data model view of a report. So report is easily you can create. Report also where you can create for creating reports and linking to database tables using Crystal and reports or MySQL workbench in your university. If you are having MySQL workbench or MS Access will be there. MS Access will be easily you can create, no problem. So please refer to the lab manual only he's telling. So now actually reports, triggers, and forms, these are all the advanced SQL. So advanced SQL means the software will be applicable. If it is there, then you can ask your sir, show how to create this reports, forms, and triggers once. Okay, then you can do there. Actually, these are last completely practical only. DML, DDL, DCL, these all are the practical knowledge only. So just I'm explaining. So actually what happened while explaining, if you are doing the practice, then you can easily understand. Just here I'm explaining, you are listening means we people are not having system here. Okay, so actually system will be there. I am showing the command, I am typing the command, and you people also along with me. If you are doing the practical, then you people are understanding clearly. Actually, that is the way to explain the computer subjects. Actually, this is not the way to explain the practical programming concepts. Okay, however, it's over. Okay, so this is our complete syllabus is successfully completed. So you people added in the group also, I know that. So if anyone wants this PDF, I will share the PDF, and also I will give the important question within the 3-4 days. Okay. If anyone having doubts, you can ask, you can clear. Hello, Unara?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Any
Madam,
doubts? ఎస్
మేడం నేను గ్రూప్ లో నేను యాడ్ చేస్తారా మేడం?
యాక్చువల్లీ నన్నే వేరే వాళ్ళు యాడ్ చేస్తారమ్మా. అమ్మా ఎస్ మీరు ఉన్నారు కదా, ఎవరైతే అడ్మిన్ ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళు ప్లీజ్ యాడ్ దట్ పర్సన్, దట్ యువర్ క్లాస్మేట్ మా.
నెంబర్ పెట్టాను మేడం.
చాట్ బాక్స్ లో పెట్టండి, వాళ్ళు పెడతారు. యాడ్ చేయండి
పెట్టాను
అమ్మా.
మేడం.
ఓకే
పెట్టండి మేడం.
ఎప్పుడు ఉంటాయి మీకు ప్రాక్టికల్స్?
ఇంకా డేట్ రాలేదు మేడం.
డేట్ రాలేదా? ఓకే.
ఎగ్జామ్స్ తర్వాత ఉండొచ్చు.
ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ థియరీ ఎగ్జామ్సా?
అవును మేడం.
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
అదేంటి ప్రాక్టికల్ పెట్టి ఎగ్జామ్స్ పెట్టాలి కానీ ఫస్ట్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ పెట్టి ప్రాక్టికల్ పెడుతున్నారా? ఓకే.
అవును మేడం.
ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఎప్పుడు?
June
June
7th మ్యామ్.
ఓకే.
Started.
So you are having very less 20 days only, I think.
Yes ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, please give me the questions as early as possible.
Yeah. Surely, ma. I will once ask the sir also. Actually, I know some important questions, but university-wise, what the questions they will be given. So I will ask some people. I know some people there. Okay. I will
Okay,
ask them and I will share you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. What happened? Very less strength only joining the class, ma. All are busy. Only 12 members. I think in your class, how much strength? More above 100, na? The 12 members, I one self myself and one is the university. Only 10 people are there. Nikhil, Shweta, Kumar, Leena, Narshin, Pooja, Pramod, Rohi, Shanti, Shravya, Viramala. So Seema, actually, normally I'm telling the questions here. In the block wise, block 1, you are having advantage of the DBMS. That is also important question. Okay. And who is DBA and roles of DBA? Roles or functions of DBA. That is also very important question. And the ER model, entity relationship model, is the very, very important question. And logical architecture of three-tier. Why this one will be coming here? Three-tier architecture will be there now. Three-tier architecture. The first chapter, first block. That is also important. Okay. And next, normalization. Okay. Normalization is the very, very most important question. You can revise that. And file organization also. And in the file organization, you are having B plus tree, binary search tree. We have seen that is also very important. And indexing methods. And next, in SQL part, DML command, DDL, all practical questions are important actually. DDL, DML, DCL, TCL, 4 types you are having. Okay, that commands also, if you learn, actually practically, if you do the practice, then these are very easy. Otherwise, they are going to tough actually. Okay, that is also important questions. And transaction properties are there now. What is the transaction properties? Acid properties. Okay, that is also. Yeah, I will send Naushin Khan. I will send, just I'm orally I'm telling just what are the questions I am remembering. That questions I'm telling, I will share in group also, no problem, don't worry. Okay. That is also, these questions will be going to important. And relational data model. Okay. Constants will be there. The primary key, foreign key, candidate key, super key. That also very important. So you can everyone having textbook. You are revising that from there only. Or you people want this PDF? And the last chapter also you can read the forms reports. Theoretical part will be there, na? That theoretical part you can see the concepts. Okay. I think you're having objective questions also. 20 questions will be there. I think 20 questions objective questions, and 5 marks questions you are having. You should write the 4 questions, na, part A. Then 10 marks questions should write the again 4 or 5. So based on that, so you read the small definitions also. Objective purpose. What is a database? What is a file organization? Or what is SQL? What is a trigger? What is a form? Okay. And what is the hashing table? Hash table. Who is DBA? Okay. And transaction. What is a transaction? Locking protocol. Serializability. These are the short questions actually. Definitions. Okay. So daily, how many people are listening continually? Classes, all classes will be listening. How all of you joined the classes, or some people only? All are busy with some work, joining the class, leaving the phone. Join, ma'am. Okay, good. Did you understand the concepts, Moshi? Okay. Good. Yes, exactly. That only I'm telling actually. Actually, this is the completely practical paper. Some topics will be there, theoretical parts, paper subject. The first blocks will be like normalization, ER model, logical structure. These all are the theory only. But the last topics will be there, na, SQL, DDL, DML, DCL, TCL, the triggers, forms. These all are the practical. If you do the practically, then it will be easy. And you can understand also. But if you are not doing means, you can you should remember the commands means it's going to tough actually. If you can follow the procedure, like create is a keyword, table is a keyword, table name, then columns. Like if you are following, then they are easy also. But the starting concepts will be easy only, means database advantages, DBA roles and functions, ER model, relational model. These all are theory parts only, theory paper, theory concepts only. Okay. Once you can revise slowly, then automatically you can understand. Okay. So, okay, ma.
Thank
Bye,
you, ma'am.
everyone. Yeah, ma. Bye, everyone. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
All the best for your exams.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you. Welcome.